Number 22, we must simplify this fraction. You can't have a radical in the denominator, so we've got to get rid of it. The easiest way, I have to multiply by something that's worth 1, so the top and bottom have to be the same. Well, I just do a root 2 over root 2. On the bottom, root 2 times root 2, just a 2. Up top, I have 8 root 2. And now I do need to simplify because outside of the house right here is an 8, and down here is a 2, so he's outside of the house too. Those both now can be divided by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So this answer is 4 root 2. 23. Before I go any further, I could multiply by a square root of 6, but let's simplify first because 20 and 6, I know both those are even. So let's make him divide by 2. Makes him 10. Divide him by 2, I get a 3. So it's really a root 10 over root 3, but I can't have that square root in the bottom. So I'm going to multiply by square root of 3 over square root of 3. That way these guys will give me a nice whole number of 3 there. Up top, root 10 times root 3 is root 30. If you try to break 30 down, you're going to see it's a 2 times 3 times 5, so they don't have a pair. Can't go any further, so that's it. 24. All right, can't do anything here, so I'm going to go ahead and multiply by root 5 over root 5. Let's see what we get. Well, I'm going to get 5 in the bottom. I must remember it's root 5 times that whole thing, each piece. So 3 times root 5 is 3 root 5, and then the root 5 times the 7 will be plus root 35, and there's nothing there because 35 is just a 5 times 7. There's no pairs. So that's as far as I can go. And there's my answer simplified.